Hi, I'm Frank. I'm from Sociology department. I attended the workshop, project management workshop when I was a dissertator. I was already in the process to plan my dissertation writings, and it definitely helped me to rethink my schedule. Um, but I really think for my next new research project, I certainly will use those things I learned from this project management workshop. And so it's very broadened my thinking because it's not just about the things you want to do. It's also about relationship you got to manage, how to manage your supervisees or mentees, how do you cooperate with other colleagues, how do you manage your time for your kids, for family, and it's very comprehensive. It's beyond. It goes beyond the academic project. Yeah, from my own perspective, I really encourage students, every graduate students, to take this. Um, I don't think most of us have taken this kind of professional project management before.